Namaste. I am Abhishek and I am the creative head at Tanishq. For more than a decade now, I've been passionately crafting the design strategy for the brand, which, touchwood, today has become the most coveted jewelry brand of the country. Design to me is not just a profession, but a way of life where it inspires me every day. Over the years, I have conceptualized path-breaking collections and transformed innovative ideas into beautiful creations, which has set the design leadership of Tanishq floating high. Our ability to design and innovate has won the hearts of millions of women like you. I strongly believe that every design that we create at Tanishq should have a deeper narrative, should have a story to tell. And that is one of the reasons why customers keep coming back to us. Because they find a connection with the jewelry that they have to wear. And be it a collection like Inara, Virasat, Padmavat or Nilofer, there is always something unique about all of these collections. And that is something which has won millions of hearts. Aramb is another such example of this design process. It's about the start of a new dawn. How there is so much of hope, there is so much of possibility to look forward to, and that is what we have captured in this collection. Aram stands for the strength, the resilience, and the optimism of the Tanishq woman. The collection has a special place in my heart because it's launched at a time when everything around us was dark. So this collection kind of gives hope to the women. This collection kind of makes one appreciate the beauty and the art when everything around us was negative. And hence it's very special, and I made sure that in this collection we have this ray of hope. Aram marks the beginning of a new dawn, and the collection that we've created is new yet timeless. The collection is replete with more than 200 designs and borrows inspiration from flora. Each and every design in the collection is handcrafted in rose gold and yellow gold and encrusted with precious stones like diamonds, polkis, and even a splash of rubies and sapphires. At Tanishq, I've constantly tried to bring in innovation. Every collection that we do has something new to offer at that point in time. This magic concoction of futuristic designs has resulted in our design leadership. Aram has so much of innovation fused into it. For example, in Aram, we have the state-of-the-art manufacturing technology called electroforming of gold, which not only makes the product lightweight and gives a lot of spread, but it's also easy on your pockets. At the same time, it is also very easy to wear because the products are so much more lightweight and hence takes the pain out of your ears. I keep a close watch on the trends, especially the mega trends from the global scenario, because that kind of percolates down to India and kind of defines what's going to be the Indian trend. And so even before these trends have hit the Indian shores, we kind of define our design strategies around these and create something very exceptional for our customers. For example, currently in vogue are these choker necklaces, which are also very perfect for the above the keyboard dressing. These days we are doing a lot of web calls and video chats and all of that, and something like these, which are choker necklaces, work wonderfully for this above the keyboard dressing trend. Another mega trend that I picked for Aram is ombre, which is a very big apparel and a lifestyle mega trend, and that kind of is related to the transition of color shades from a darker hue to a lighter hue. And how we have adapted that to jewelry is by beautifully handpicking these stones, which are from deep shades of ruby reds to lighter pink sapphires and all the way to white diamonds. And what it does to jewelry is that it makes the product look very dramatic but subtle at the same time. And then in terms of material, we have these very beautiful bralets which have been sourced from Jaipur. They have all been faceted and cut along with the stone cutters in Jaipur. Each one of these have been hand-picked so that they just suit the design in which it is going. And then they are strung in a way that it offers a lot of movement to the piece so that the overall piece is not very static. I have conceptualized Aram to be a very versatile collection that can be paired with various outfits in your wardrobe. The result is a classic meets contemporary range that can be reworn on a host of occasions. You can wear it with your Western outfits, and you can also equally elegantly wear it with your traditional outfits as well. For example, we have a gamut of earrings, from drop earrings, chandeliers, stud earrings, and these all can be paired either with your pantsuits, kurtas, or your lehengas. And then we have tried various silhouettes within the necklaces. For example, we have lariats, we have yard chains, we have guluband styles. We also have a lot of these high chokers that can either be paired with your traditional outfits or your Western attires. Then there are conversation starters, rings and bracelets that promises that all eyes are going to be only on you. For example, we have these very unconventional finger rings that sit in between the two fingers, and they're very bold and dramatic. I have handpicked the gemstones for this collection from Jaipur, and not only does they add splash of color to the collection, but they also help me translate the floral inspiration a lot better. I want to be really blunt here because unlike the common perceptions, the creative process is a highly complex and evolved mechanism wherein we develop so much of hard work in terms of research, R&D, innovations on techniques, materials, creating mood boards, developing the color palettes, defining the styling of the collection, and then checking back with the consumer whether they like it or not. So typically all of this takes around 8 to 12 months. I always design keeping the price points in mind. Even in RM, for example, there have been a lot of conscious decisions which have been taken to ensure that what we offer to customers have a lot more value for money. For example, we have these techniques like electroforming, and which is very lightweight and hence very easy on the pocket. Then we have a lot of color stone usage, which are very high on drama, but then they are voluminous and adds a lot of spread to the piece, and at the same time they don't cost a earth. We all have really worked hard on the minor details in this collection. RM is actually a lot of hard work from the design to the craftsmanship. The karigars, the way they have crafted and molded the gold, to the design, the way the designers have conceptualized the idea, everything has been dealt in detail. And the end result is a very beautiful collection which is launched in a period that gives a lot of hope and positivity to the world. I'm glad that all of you joined me today for this wonderful event and hope that you would visit your nearest Tanishq store and experience what we have crafted for you.